Why do so many people spend years learning English? Watching videos, memorizing vocabulary, studying grammar, but still can't speak fluently? It's frustrating. You feel like you're working hard, but going nowhere. Here's the truth no one tells you. It's not your method, it's your psychology. In this video, you'll discover the hidden mental patterns that silently destroy your progress, and more importantly, how to fix them. Most people think English is about vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, but real progress depends on something deeper: your mindset. Because even with the best method in the world, if your psychology is wrong, you will still fail. 1. Fear of making mistakes. Let's start with the biggest one. Fear. You're afraid to say the wrong thing, use the wrong grammar, sound stupid. So what happens? You don't speak. You wait. You prepare. You think, I need to be better first. But here's the problem. No speaking equals no improvement. And here's the truth. Every fluent speaker you admire made thousands of mistakes. Key shift. Mistakes are not failure. They are data. 2. Perfectionism. You tell yourself, I'll speak when I'm ready. But let me be honest with you. You will never feel ready. Perfectionism creates a trap. You keep learning, but never using. You watch videos. You take notes. You understand everything. But when it's time to speak, silence. Reality check. Fluency doesn't come from preparation. It comes from participation. 3. Overthinking. When you try to speak, your brain does this. Translate from your native language. Check grammar rules. Search for the perfect word, all at the same time. That's too much. Your brain freezes. This is why you feel like, I know English, but I can't speak. Truth. Fluency is not about thinking more. It's about thinking less. 4. The illusion of learning. You watch English videos every day. You read books. You listen to podcasts. It feels productive. But here's the dangerous part. You're consuming, but not using. That creates an illusion. You feel like you're improving, but nothing changes in real life. Simple analogy. You can watch 100 swimming videos, but if you never enter the water, you will never swim. 5. Comparing yourself to others. You see someone speaking fluent English. Confident, fast, natural. And you think, I'm not good enough. I'll never reach that level. But what you don't see is their years of practice, their awkward beginnings, their mistakes. Truth. You're comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. 6. Inconsistency. You study for 2 hours today, then nothing for 3 days. Then again, you start, then stop. This pattern destroys progress. Because language learning depends on repetition, exposure, daily contact. Golden rule. Consistency beats intensity. 7. Method addiction. You keep searching for the best app, the fastest method, the secret technique, but you never stay with one system long enough. This creates confusion, overload, zero mastery. Truth. The problem is not the method. The problem is switching too often. How to fix your mindset. Now let's flip everything. 1. Speak before you feel ready. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after action. 2. Accept discomfort. Feeling awkward is normal. Growth always feels uncomfortable. 3. Focus on communication. Ask yourself, can people understand me? That's enough. 4. Build daily habits. Even 10-20 minutes a day works. But it must be consistent. 5. Use English actively. Not just watching, listening, but also speaking, writing, thinking. 6. Trust repetition. You don't need to force memory. Your brain learns through exposure. Most people fail not because English is hard, but because their mindset holds them back. Change the way you think, and everything changes. You don't fail because English is difficult. You fail because you stop showing up. So starting today, speak more, think less, stay consistent. And remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.